Hi everybody, and basically welcome back. This is just a real quick update really. You saw us doing the potatoes, and these are the chitted ones ready to go in. These are the zero. Remember we just cut them in half because they was too big, and obviously that's scaled over now, so that's fine. And that's quite a healthy little growth on that. There's the other part, nicely scaled over, and lots of little chits coming on that, which is good. We've got our Maris Bard. Oh, that was the zero, by the way. Got our Maris Bard here, they're doing well. Maybe a couple of little chits are a bit long, but they're basically not too bad. We've got 2 boxes of them. These are just some new potatoes. They're doing quite well. These are Charlottes, they are. They're going to be lovely, they are, when they come in. These are doing well. These are your Sapo Myra. Good cropper, heavy duty. Lots of nice little chits on them, and they're doing really well. So I think we're going to be swamped with potatoes at some point this year anyway. So I'll just move a couple of them out of the way, just to give ourselves a bit of space for something else. So we've been busy. This is garlic, Cristo garlic, particular brand, and that's actually, you can see it shooting away quite well there. I'm not sure what the roots are doing. Oh yeah, just starting to sprout, the roots are. So we give a little head start in them. Could do with a bit of a drink actually, it's a bit dry, and they're doing well. We've got some herbs, coriander, cayenne pepper type things, salads, peppers, sweet peppers and chilies. Hot it says ×3. So that's doing quite well. As you say, we've got some more garlic here. This is actually purple white, it's slightly different brand. As you can see, that's really sort of doing quite well at the moment. Once again, could do maybe with a little bit of extra water. I'll just put that over there. Red Baron onions, we've planted a whole tray of them. Just sprinkled them in the compost, and they'll be coming up really shortly. We've got 2 trays of climbing French beans. That's these little white things here. They just sort of push them in a bit. And once they start coming up, they should be really good actually. So we've got 2 trays of them. So we've been quite busy at the moment. And there's our shallots. These are Red Baron. Sorry, Red Sun. As you can see, they're just starting to shoot away. We will try prizing one out, see what the roots are like. Oh, there you are, look, just starting the roots. So I think they're doing okay actually. Try another one. Oh yeah, look at that. Quite a nice little root system there. So this just gives them a little bit of a head start, because it still do get quite cold in the evenings, and we don't want to set them back too bad. So we've got 2 trays of them. Here's the other tray. As you can see, they're shooting away really well. What else we got? Oh, we've got some peas on the go. These are Meteor. That's these ones here, media peas. And obviously, like, you'll know what the peas are like. You just stick them in the ground, cover them. I mean, some tend to put them in lengths of drainage, they don't disturb the roots, but it doesn't really seem to matter too much to us really. So there's some peas. So that's doing quite well. All sorts of other stuff on the go at the moment. All the lettuce, more lettuce. Winter squash, that's okay. Some tomatoes, tomato bush, tomato sun, honey bear squash, and small black squash, and tomato sun gold. So that's the tomato. Once again, soil's a bit on the dry side, does need a water. And I've got these to pot on at some point. So we've got some Aubrey runner beans. There's a little pack of them. Got some more French beans growing. We've got some melons, a few raw melons there, some courgettes, they're doing quite well, and some sweet pea. So these really all need potting on. Let's pop one out and have a look, see. Yeah, I think that's sort of time to go on to a bigger pot. Once again, we've got this on the dry side, really, don't want to rot it off. So obviously once we put it in the compost, oh, don't want peas in there as well, do we? Push them in there. So once we put them into the compost, we'll give them a nice water, and then they're more likely to just go out into the greenhouse and then be left there for 2 or 3 weeks to get really established. And by that time, it's near enough time to get them planted out. Been working up the old allotment quite a bit, got a few beds ready. Haven't got the trenches dug yet for the potatoes, but that won't take too long at all. Been clearing the old sweet pepper beds and the old squash beds and stuff like that, so it's all coming on. And just trying to get a bit busy really for everyone at this sort of time of year. I've still got my chrysanthemums out there. I've got to take some cuttings from. They're about that big at the moment, the little side shoots, and they'll just let them grow and we'll pot them on, a bit of rooting hormone, and we got ourselves a new plant. So I think basically that's it for today. There's some more stuff in the shed, but in the greenhouse, but that can stay there for now. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.